Tamburlaine headed towards organic winemaking and viticulture about 15 years ago. Most differences are we don't use systemic pesticides or inorganic fertilisers in the vineyard. Makes us probably better farmers. We need to get into the vineyard. We need to be quite proactive to farm organically, particularly in climates like the Hunter Valley, which can have challenges with humidity and so forth. We use a lot of mechanical weeding practices. We use a lot of mechanical people manipulation of canopy rather than just go out and zapping things the old school style. We don't target the huge yielding sub $10 bottles of wine. We make what we think is that great everyday $20 drop. We're really trying to democratise organics in the Australian market by having a bottle on everyone's table. Malbec is grown on just one of our properties at 870 metres altitude in Orange. Coincidentally, it's about the same altitude that Yucca Valley starts in Argentina. As a varietal, it's juicy, it's floral, fruit forward, under oaked and ready for drinking, but also with great aging potential. I think it's brilliant that you've gone to 100% New South Wales wine list. I don't see risk in that. I think there's huge diversity across the state. What keeps me here is the ability to create something never existed before. You go out every year and that grape is different every year. You have to sort of come up with that picture of where you want it to go and you push it down the way and get out of the way and let the grapes do their thing sometimes, and it's really, really rewarding career.